Let's learn how to book a one-on-one tutorial online. So you have to go to this link, ptitutoring.com/tutor, and follow the instructions. Let's see what those instructions say. So we have to read and fill in all the forms completely. Tutor bookings may be rescheduled up to 24 hours before the appointment time. And we have a link as well where you can go in and reschedule your tutorials. If the student does not attend the tutorial that he or she is scheduled to attend, an additional booking will not be provided for the student. Also, if the tutor is waiting in the meeting room for the student and 10 minutes has passed, the parent of the student will be contacted, and if the student does not show up, the tutorial appointment will be cancelled. So let's learn how to make a one-on-one booking with PTI. Firstly, you have to sign in before making a booking. Next, you have to select the service that you want. So let's say we want secondary school one-on-one tutoring in English. Once I have selected that, I'm going to be met with this field. I have to say what specifically I would like to be assisted with in this tutorial. So I'm just going to say essay writing and proceed to the next step. Now I will be asked to select a tutor. Then I will be given the tutor's availability. Look for the boxes that have a green line. So this tutor is available on the 13th of March between 7 and 7:30, 7:30 and 8 to 8:30 p.m. So let's say I wanted an early tutorial, 7 to 7:30. I select it, ensure that it's purple, and then we can proceed to the next step. The next step is your information. So your email address, your full name, your number, your relationship to the student's full name, their level, so their academic grade level, whether they are Form 1, Form 2, Form 6, the city you reside in, your country of residence, the age of the student as well. Then you can proceed to the next step. Notice that you cannot leave these fields blank, right? So let's just put in some arbitrary information so you have an idea of how to use the website. So let's say my name is Amy Ali. My number is 1234567. I'm a parent. My student is Wanda Ali. She is a Form 3 student. She lives in Arima and she resides in Trinidad. She's 15 or 16 years old. We can now proceed to the next step, which is just booking the tutorial. So you have to enter your payment information here. After you've done this, your tutorial will be confirmed and you will receive an email confirmation as well as a reminder of the tutorial at least 2 days before. And that's really it. So how can we go in and manage our tutorials that we've booked? Let's say that something has come up and we no longer can attend a tutorial that we booked already. Well, you can simply use this link. Again, you'll need to sign in to manage your bookings here. So you'll need to log into your account, and you can also contact us for any help. Now, you can change your one-on-one bookings up to 24 hours before your appointment time. You will not be allowed to do so within 24 hours of the appointment time, unfortunately. And we will not issue a refund if the student does not show to the appointment or if there is a cancellation. And that's really it. All you need to do is follow our guidelines for booking the tutorial and attending, and you can have a rich, in-depth one-on-one tutorial where your child's weaknesses will be improved on and turned into strengths.